Okay, it's Dr. O here with another situation that we have with a Mercedes ML320. The power locks don't work. Common problem. But now we've come up with a way to repair that, especially if you can't lock your car and if you live in a place like Vancouver where there's thieves all over the place. You need to secure your stuff. So the way we're going to do that is, as you can see, Slav's got his tape measure out. He's calculating everything. Okay, let's just get the thing going. No, it's okay. Never the fucking mind. Just get the fucking thing fixed, all right?
Well, it's.
What the fuck? Get the grinder out. Okay, hey, he's got a fucking. Okay, so now as you see, what happens is when you open. Okay, see, you open the door, but you can't secure it. So now he's wedged the tape in between the lock and the body of the vehicle, and now he's going to grind the lock off. There it is, grinding it down, as you can see. Okay, yeah, looks good. All right, champ. That's it. There you go. There you go. Look, see? Can't get in anymore.
Isn't that something, eh?
That's fixed, eh?
Oh, it's something else.
All right. So, as you can see, we're working on the project. We'll get done soon. So, have a good day and ciao.